Libra. Hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the week of 22 to 30 April. So yeah, I'm just wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, success, and love, and so many good vibes from me to you guys. So let's see what is coming for you, Libra, for this week of April, the last week of April 2020. So yeah, let's cut the deck for you guys. Magician. So you are the magician of your life. Beautiful. Okay. Transformation. Knight of Pentacles right in the middle of your reading. So you are feeling a little bit stuck, Libra. Empress. Beautiful. Ten of Pentacles. Okay. So Libra, this is your overall energy with the Magician card present here. So you are in some kind of manifestation. You just want to manifest some kind of situation, person, or something in your life, and you're very desperate about it. Or this must be your person who wants to get you back in their life. Okay, in your recent past we have Knight of Swords, Transformation, and the Three of Swords. So I'm feeling that you have built up some kind of relation with your person in the past, very soon, very quickly, with the Knight of Swords, and then with the Transformation it ended very soon as well. And you are feeling heartbreak with the Three of Swords in the past. Yeah, Libra, this is for some of you. In your current energy we have Five of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, and the Moon card. So you are continuously dealing with a person who is a little bit slow, and they were just manipulating you emotionally. They are making the situation disturb for you. Yeah, and they are not revealing their truth with the Moon card present here. They have some secrets about their background or family background or something like that, of their past life, which they are not telling you right now, and that's why you are feeling very broken and very sad, because you are feeling now that you can't trust them. In your immediate future we have King of Wands, Empress, and the Ten of Pentacles. So these three beautiful cards are in your immediate future. So now you are moving towards your passion, so that you can have your abundance in your life, and also your stability with the Ten of Pentacles present here, which is great energy, because you are healing from the past and then moving towards your great future. Great. Let's see why is the transformation here in the recent past for you guys, for the Libras. Some of you are dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. So yeah, Eight of Cups, Four of Cups, and the King of Pentacles. So that is why the transformation happened, because that was necessary for your growth, and you walked away from that person's life, and they had rejected you in the past, like in the late past, and that is why the situation doesn't change for you. You want like improvement in your connection, but that didn't happen. That's why you walked away from them, to get your stability back, because I'm feeling that you have put a lot of work to get their attention, to get that higher degree of the marriage level. Yeah. But they were not able to give you, they were not capable to give you. Let's see why is the Moon here. Why is the Moon here for the Libra, please? Four of Swords, Eight of Swords, Seven of Swords. So many swords energies here. Air energy, like some of you are dealing with also an air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. But I'm feeling that because of they are not revealing their truth and their secrets That is why you are feeling very stuck, like you think that they had betrayed you and they are continuously betraying you. They are not honest with you. They are continuously playing games with you, and that is why you're also feeling stuck, because they're sending you the same negative energy. That is why you are in that kind of stuckness. But with the Four of Swords, you are managing yourself to come out from this you know, this bound situation, because you want freedom and you don't want to be in that kind of lower vibration energy with that person. That is why you are moving on, but slowly but surely. Yeah. So let's see why is the Five of Swords are here. This is a very manipulative person. Eight of Wands, Seven of Wands, Chariot. Some of you are dealing with a Cancer. Yeah. So some kind of communication is happening for you guys, Libra, and the person also want to travel towards you with this Chariot card also present here. This is also travel with the Eight of Wands present here in your reading, and they want communication, and it will be a very swift and fast communication for you. You just want to move on because you are fed up from their manipulative behavior. They are very controlling, and you want freedom. That's why you are taking a leap of faith towards your freedom, towards your new life, towards your uh, new chapter of future life. Yeah. But yeah, communication is happening for you, and which leads to towards something better. Yeah. Why is the Empress here for the Libra? This is you, Empress, King of Swords, King of Cups, Five of Cups. Okay. So I'm feeling that you are the King of Swords here. You're very determined and a little bit detached and cold towards that person of your past. And this is your person, King of Cups. They still have feelings for you, and they want to open their heart for you, but they are not doing this, and that is why you are feeling a little bit sad. And they're also feeling sad that they cannot speak their truth to you because of some kind of circumstances or because of some kind of restrictions, because they think that they have a very bad past. That is why they are not revealing that whole story of their past with you. Yeah. King of Wands for the Libra, please. King of Wands for the Libras. Ace of Wands, Queen of Swords. Yeah. World. You are determined to get your new life. There is no doubt. Yeah. And which is great. Some kind of new passionate beginnings are also for you coming. And this person, the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius you are dealing with, maybe a new person coming in your life, and they will set you free with the World card. And I'm feeling that the person is living away from you, another state or another country, and yeah, that is why they have to travel towards you to speak what they have feelings for you. Let's have an advice for the Libra, please. Advice for the Libra, please. Ten of Cups, Emperor, Three of Cups. Beautiful. So universe is telling you that be in your higher vibration energy, because this is Emperor and Empress, very divine connection here, divine counterparts here, divine feminine and divine masculine are here. So you are going towards your Ten of Cups, which is very great. Universe is telling you just be happy at the present moment, and yeah, utilize your energy to make yourself happy and abundant, because you are building your empire and you want to enjoy your life very beautifully, and that is coming your way, because with the Ten of Pentacles you will have each and every blessings of the world. Ten of Cups and Ten of Pentacles, Emperor, Empress. Great, you are manifesting this beautiful beginning and beautiful future life for you, Libra. I'm very happy for you guys. So yeah, this is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. And yeah, you can share it with your family and friends if you find it helpful. And you can also give me a suggestion what you want to more see on this channel in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.